In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links for free without a website and also make money online. So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to give you some bonuses as well. So keep watching all the way right through. I'm going to tell you the websites that you can go where you can be in front of your competitions. And once you do this, if you follow this step by step, I'll promise you that you're going to start to get traffic immediately and people are going to be buying your stuff and start to visit your affiliate links as soon as you implement what I'm going to share with you. So if this is your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is my YouTube channel, and I always come out with a brand new video every time the bell goes off. So make sure you subscribe so you be the first one to get that notification. So welcome. Make sure in the comment section, if you're an affiliate marketer, I want you to type in affiliate marketing. If you've been struggling to get traffic to your affiliate links and you keep going around in circles, comment down below affiliate link right now. And that way I'll know that you watched the video all the way to the end, right? And as I said before, I'm working on something super special for you. So anytime I finish it, you're going to be the first one to know. So make sure you keep watching the entire video. So again, how to promote affiliate links for free without a website and make money online. This is the website that I want to share with you. It's called MunchEye. And the reason why I'm pulling up MunchEye is because on MunchEye, you could see all the big launches. You could see all the launches and the products that are coming out time and time again. So I'm showing you this because on this particular method, what you could do is you can find the different products on different particular websites. So there is JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus, right? There's ClickBank offers. If you scroll down here, you could see they're coming out with some new ones again, and it's going to be better for you. So it doesn't matter where you're from. I know some countries have a little bit of problems with ClickBank. So that's why I'm sharing you muncheye.com, because you could see that you could sign up for JVZoo or you could sign up for Warrior Plus right away. So here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be finding the products that are coming out, I would say, a week or 2 weeks from today. And the reason for that is you want to be ahead of everybody else, because once these huge affiliate marketers, they start to promote this type of product and they start to send it to their list, immediately what people are going to be doing, people are going to go straight to YouTube and they're going to be searching for a particular product. For example, let's go with I am a wealth builder. So I am wealth builders. So I'm putting it up there. So there it is. There's I am wealth builders. There's 29 videos. They have over 1,000 subscribers. These are some of the tools that people are giving reviews about. So this was 10 months ago. You look, that was 6 years ago. So these are the products. People are creating YouTube videos around the particular product that's coming out. Now, you don't have to worry, because I'm not telling you to do YouTube, because I know majority of you are afraid of being in front of the camera, and that's totally okay, right? I totally understand that. So what you want to do, or what I'm going to share with you, is we're going to be creating multiple different reviews about the particular product. So it could be I am wealth builders. It could be down here where it says Mike from Maine. It could be Sam Baker. So you can see exactly which one of these products are coming out. I know this guy's name is Josh, and he's always coming out with good products, always coming out with great things. So there's a couple of people I do recommend. So you can click on any one of them and you can see which one is going to work for you and which one is better for you to promote. So you want to come over here, and once you find the particular product, right, you want to click on it. I'm just going to, just for the sake of this video, let's say we're going with this one on November 25th as I'm shooting this video. So let's click on Sam Baker. So the front end sale is going to be $37, and you're going to be making a 50% commission. So the JVZoo page to be announced, that's going to be coming up. So it's not quite there yet. The big launch. So click here to receive alerts for the launch. So what you could do, if it's a product that is coming out, in a few weeks or so, it's always good to put your email address in and that stuff. because they're going to notify you a couple of weeks, or not even a couple of weeks, let's say a 4 or 5 days before it launches. Because as I said, when these top affiliate marketers, they come out with their products, they're going to be promoting it. They're going to put it all over the internet. And the first thing people are going to go, they're either going to go to YouTube or they're going to go to Google. And once they go to Google, they're going to be searching and they need to find. So let me see if there's one on here. So the JV page is coming soon, but you could visit the sales page. So if you click on the sales page, you could see what the sales page look like. So there's a video that you can watch, right? Here's what they'll get instantly, whether you buy or not. So they're going to be getting this book, whether they buy or not. So you can put the email address here and you could claim your bonus. And always reach out to these JV page. So you can click on here to get some notification. You can click on the vendor as well, so you could see, and that is Josh. So he has different products that are coming out. He's been launching multiple different products all the time. Products. He come out with new things. So you could click here and you can get notification every time he's going to be launching a product. I do that as well. I'm on a couple of these JV Zoo and Warrior Plus vendors. So every time they come out with something new, I get a notification. And what I do is how I get people to the affiliate links. I immediately go over to Medium. And Medium is one of the fastest way how you could get people to your particular website. And what you could do, you could just sign up for free. It is absolutely free. And then you want to go to new story. The reason why I talk about Medium, because it's instant, it's fast. I'm not saying that once you put it out there, you're going to get people like immediately. No, it's not like that. You know, it's not something like that where you're going to get people right away. But as soon as you start to put it out there, people are going to be searching for it and you're going to be ranked. So you could type in, let's say we're promoting this particular product. We're promoting the Done For You Authority, which is coming out in December. So we scroll down here, it's coming out December 3rd. So you're going to be getting some notifications. So you can put DFY Authority Review, read before you buy, right? So these JVs, they're always going to have pre-done blogs and stuff. You can always watch the videos as well. So you can watch the videos as soon as they send them out, and you can just gather some information from them. As soon as you gather some information from them, then you can go to pexels.com and you can get photos, you can get videos, and all of these are royalty free. And you can put them on here. If you look at some of my work that I've done so far, so I have a new one. This is the one that I use to display, but I have, I come up with different articles and stuff. I have another login, which I sign in and I do as well. So I consistently do that. And that's one way how you can get people to your affiliate links. It's very good. You can reach a lot of people and nothing beats a search engine, because this is going to rank into Google. At the end of this, you want to make sure that you add a disclaimer that you're adding affiliate links to the blogs, right? That's something that I've never said in the previous videos. So you want to make sure that you do not get blocked, because otherwise, if you don't do that, Medium is going to close on your account if they realize that you have too many affiliate links. And if you're overusing the platform, they will either flag you and let you know, or they will just ban your account. So avoid from being banned and do the right thing by adding a disclaimer as well. So do it. Once you do that, what you could do is you can get some more traffic by going over to Quora. After you go to Quora, then you can immediately start posting different things. So you could post, start making your posts. And when you make posts on here, right, you can write your answers to different people. When people ask questions, you can write an answer. You can add topics if you want, right? Just fill it out. And this will gain some more traction onto your Medium website. So that's a great way how you could do it. You can also share it in different Facebook groups as well, because when you share it in groups, other people are going to see it and they're going to comment on it and they're going to find out more. So That's how you can get. Didn't want to make this too long. I want to make it quick. Use Medium. Medium is a great place to get a head start. And once you start giving reviews and things like that, then you're going to have tons of people going there. So thanks so much for watching. The name is Andre, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.